Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop notifications on your Chrome browser. It will be a very short step-by-step tutorial. You have to just follow and turn it off. So for that, you have to go to this three dots on the top right corner, then come to setting. Here you will see some options and you have to select privacy and security. Click on it and then go to the last option, site settings, and here in permission you will see the notifications. Click on it and then you will see here are some default behaviors, like if some sites want to show you notifications, they will send you a message, and we accidentally click yes in most of the sites. That's why we get lots of notifications. You can directly turn this off so that it won't ask any kind of notification alerts. But let's say if you want some notification from some sites and you want to ignore others, then you have to click on this add button and add the sites whom that you don't want notifications from. So for example, I'm typing google.com and add. So now no notifications will come from this site. And if you have accidentally allowed some unknown sites to send you notification, you can just go here and just click block, and it will go to the not allowed list. And this is how you can block any notification from unwanted sites. And if you want to completely disable this, like no sites can send you any notification, then you have to just click don't allow sites to send notifications. That's it, and it will be clear. Thank you.